Hey, you're new here, right?
Yeah, I just moved here last week.
Welcome, I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. So, where did you move from?
I moved from Chicago. My dad got a new job here, so we had to relocate.
Oh, that's a big change. Chicago is such a busy city. How do you like it here so far?
It's definitely different. It's much quieter, but I think I like that. The people here seem really friendly.
Yeah, it's a small town, but there's a nice sense of community. What about your school? Did you start yet?
Yeah, today was my first day. It was a little overwhelming trying to find my classes and all.
I can imagine. And what grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade. What about you?
Same. Do you know what classes you have yet?
Yeah, I have English, math, science, and history in the morning, then PE and art in the afternoon.
Hey, we have English and science together.
Really, that's great. I was worried I wouldn't know anyone in class.
No worries, I got you. Our English teacher, Mr. Davis, is pretty chill. But science, well, let's just say Mrs. Carter can be tough.
Oh no, tough how?
She gives a lot of homework and she's super strict about deadlines, but as long as you pay attention, you'll be fine.
Got it. Thanks for the heads up.
No problem. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Hmm. I love reading, drawing, and listening to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you listen to?
A bit of everything, but mostly pop and indie. What about you?
Same. Do you have a favorite artist?
Right now, I'm really into Taylor Swift and the 1975.
Oh, solid choices. I like the 1975 too. Have you ever been to a concert?
Not yet, I really want to though. Have you?
Yeah, I went to one last year. It was amazing. The energy of a live concert is something else.
That sounds so fun. Maybe I'll get to go to one soon.
For sure. So, besides music, you said you like to draw. What kind of stuff do you draw?
Mostly portraits and landscapes. I love sketching people's expressions.
And that's really cool. I can't draw to save my life, but I love looking at art.
Ha ha ha, thanks. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I play soccer and video games.
That's awesome. How long have you been playing soccer?
Since I was like 7, I play midfield for the school team.
That's impressive. Maybe I'll come to one of your games sometime.
That would be awesome. We have a match next Friday if you're interested.
I'd love to come. Do a lot of people watch the games?
Yeah, especially the home games. The whole school gets really into it.
That sounds fun. I should start getting more involved in school events.
Definitely, there are tons of clubs and activities too. Are you thinking about joining any?
Maybe the art club or the book club, I'm not sure yet.
Both sound like a good fit for you. The book club meets on Wednesdays, and the art club is on Fridays.
Oh, thanks for telling me. I'll check them out.
For sure. Oh, by the way, have you tried any of the food places around here yet?
Not really. My family has mostly been cooking at home. Any recommendations?
Yeah, there's this little cafe downtown that has the best sandwiches and iced coffee.
That sounds amazing. I love iced coffee.
Then you'll love this place. Maybe we can go after school sometime.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Awesome. Oh, I almost forgot. How's your new house? And
It's nice. It's smaller than our old place, but I like it. My room has a big window, which is perfect for reading.
that sounds cozy. Moving must have been stressful though.
Yeah, packing was a nightmare, but at least it's all done now.
That's a relief. Moving is always a hassle.
For sure, but I'm happy to be here. Meeting people like you makes it easier.
That's really nice of you to say. I'm glad we met too.
Me too. Thanks for being so welcoming, Alex.
Anytime, Emily, you're gonna love it here.